welcome again. In this video I'm going to show you the Laravel middleware. So for example, I have opened the Docker. I am starting the sail. Sorry. Sail up. Okay. So we got now. We are up and running. So middleware provides a convenient mechanism for inspecting and filtering HTTP requests. For example, Laravel includes a middleware that verifies the user of your application is authenticated. If the user is not authenticated, the middleware will redirect the user to your application login screen. Okay, we're going to see this in action. So we have routes inside the web, and for example, we have this post route. We are going to pull up route, and here we are. Now we are not logging inside this. So everyone can go and see can go inside this URL. If we want to restrict this and go only the registered user, only the user which login, authenticated user, so we need to pass a middleware in this route, and if I save the auth middleware is coming with a Laravel authentication. We have middlewares inside the kernel PHP. Inside the route middleware we have this auth. And if it's not login the user, if the user is not logging, we return to this route. Okay, we're going to check now. If I save this, yeah, now if I go to the posts, we are redirecting back to the login page. So see again, post, sorry, hit enter, we are redirecting back. Okay, now if I I'm logging to the test.com, and if I try now, now I'm trying. Okay, now we are ability to see this route. We can make a custom one. So this is about if we are logging in, or if not, we are redirecting back. To create a custom one, go to the terminal or inside it and run the sail artisan make middleware custom middleware, for example. Hit the enter. The middleware is inside the app directory, HTTP, and we have this middleware. Inside this we have here are custom middleware, and the we have the request and the next where is the route is going. So the request is where the route is and where it's going to go. So in this example, in this custom one, I'm going to check if we have the user. So if our user and if the auth user name, for example, is test. If we have the user and if the user name is test, we are allowing to go to the page. Another way, redirect to route to this route. Okay, to the home page. If I save now, and inside the routes, inside the post, we change this with we need to register the middleware. So inside here we are going to register the middleware. The name, I'm going to add this custom, and the middleware is inside the app middleware, custom middleware, class, save. So here we put the name of the we put here, so custom, save this, and if we go now to the post, okay, we have the right to see this route because our name is a test. But if I log out and I'm going to go to the post now, if I go to the post, the route is not defined, so redirect. If I try to go to the post URL, we are redirecting back because we are not logged in. So if I'm logging in now. So test com, close, post. We are we are allowed now to visit this URL because we have the name test, but I'm going to register a new user with a different name. So John, com, register now, and we are registered as John. If I go to the post, we are redirecting back to the home page. So this is how the middleware works. If I log out and log in again as a test, sorry, .com, we have ability to go to the post URL. Okay, this is for the middleware. Thank you and see you in the next video.